अच्छा और नहीं चौधरी बारिश बड़ी सुकून तेज है.
We have just arrived at the arrang cave. We have ascended it.
इधर मारो.
It took us quite a while.
सेल्फी मारो सेल्फी.
सेल्फी नहीं यार, ये फ्रंट पे जो पीपल है ना इनको जरा हम
बहुत मजा आया जुबान भाई, बहुत मजा आया ट्रैकिंग का. ब्यूटीफुल व्यू, ब्यूटीफुल वेदर, लुक वेरी नाइस.
आपका माउथ बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा पीछे होकर बात करें.
ओके माय फ्रेंड.
Oh नहीं, I was just kidding. I want you to speak to me.
I am very busy now, please call you later.
Four to five people are waited here. Me along my friend, my brother Mohsin is one, but Azhar
दारी
Manbir, Kamar Munawar.
लेटर दो.
We have reached the summit.
चौधरी, beautiful view and beautiful motion and beautiful sketch.
Yes, indeed it is. We have not visualized the beauty of Arrang Cave yet, but somehow we have managed to overcome this ordeal or whatever. I am little afraid about my company crew and I want to know where they are. I would like to see them summiting this mountain where they are. I am expecting them. Where are they? Anyhow, they will be here in a moment. I want you to see. I want you to watch this beautiful meadows. It's a beautiful valley. It's a beautiful village, and we are going to explore it in a few moments. Our friends are awaited here. Here they are. Here is our beloved Adil Bhai, Rana Ali, and they will be here. It is drizzling, and I am afraid. I reckon I will have to turn my mobile off. So I will keep updating more and more posts. Till then, ciao. Allah Hafiz.